Alright, y'all, welcome back to the Dominoes 7 Show live location in my crib. So now, after watching half of Aretha Franklin's funeral on NBC, well, not on NBC, on BET and Headline News Channel, it's live on YouTube on a couple of channels, including let me see, on ABC News Channel, People TV, and Guardian News, People TV and stuff like that, you know. So anyway, not time for the final thought, okay? Alright. Aretha Franklin was the best singer of all. When I was a child, I used to always listen to her songs, you know. I never knew her name until 1998, you know. I like that song, Respect, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Think, what are you trying to do to me? Yes, indeed. Her songs are so good. Think about what you're trying to do to me. Yes, indeed. I watched that movie of her when they were singing that song, though. You know, I mean, I think she was in a couple of movies and stuff like that. I know y'all seen Whoopi Goldberg at the funeral. You know, So anyway, a lot of people, it's packed just like Whitney Houston's funeral, you know. Yes, indeed, you know. But anyway, let's just back it up, okay? I was at the Social Security office, going through my phone and stuff like that. I was going through my phone and everything, and that's when I found out. All right, I found out that Aretha Franklin passed away. You know, and that is totally sad, you know, very, very sad to hear the news, you know. So, I'm in here and I thought it was raining, okay, and then I was kind of shocked to hear the news about Aretha Franklin passing away, you know. I'm like, wow, this is totally sad, you know. Listening to the news, you know. I mean, I like that song, Freedom. Think what you're trying to do to me, you know. I'm like, that song is off the chain. A rose is still a rose. Here we go again, riding on the freeway of love. More songs than that, you know. So her songs was off the chain, you know. And then, I don't know if she was on Soul Train or something. Was she featured on Soul Train? Yeah, she must have was, because I must have missed that episode when she was on Soul Train. I don't know if she was on the Don Cornelius era or what. But I'll find out though. Okay. So I used to watch Soul Train a long time ago. Yep. Everybody watched Soul Train. Yep. Seemed like Aretha Franklin appeared on Soul Train a lot, you know. Even the Soul Train Music Awards, you know. Yes, indeed. I'm looking at it. She even appeared on Soul Train during the 70s, I do believe. You know. So as far as that though, I don't think Don Cornelius is in heaven right now after taking his life. Like Tiario said that Don Cornelius is in hell because he took his own life, you know. But this is not about Don Cornelius. This is about Aretha Franklin, you know. So I'm looking at everything, you know. I'm on YouTube looking at on my TV. Looking at all the performances, jumped to it, and she even appeared on the Oprah Winfrey Show in 1999, and she made a song with Luther Vandross, may he rest in peace. Soul Train Show with Aretha Franklin, Won't Be Long, Rock Steady, Oh Me Oh My, and Aretha Franklin song when it was in the Soul Train line. and Ooh Ooh Baby Baby, Aretha Franklin and Smokey Robinson. Okay, so I Was Made for You, and a Daydreaming song in 1973. Okay, and another video from 1972. Okay, and made some good songs in the 60s too. All right. The 70s was awesome with Aretha Franklin. I wasn't even born, you know. I just listened to the songs, you know. Came in the 80s, I think, 90s, everything, you know. Made a comeback in 1998 with A Rose Still a Rose, you know, and then continued her music career with her latest video at the time, Here We Go Again, you know. So I really enjoyed her songs back in the day, you know. Everybody did. I know some of you folks that's watching this video, that is watching me right now, y'all enjoyed her songs, you know. I mean, I had to do this, you know, like I was doing a video featuring Whitney Houston's funeral, you know. So anyway, may she rest in peace. Okay. Thank y'all for watching, and I want to thank y'all for supporting Aretha Franklin after all these years. Well, I'm saying thank you from her, you know. So she also would like to thank each and every one of y'all for supporting her music over the years. You know, people that was born in the 60s or born before that time, that always you used to turn her music up, turn the radio up. I meant to say, when y'all used to turn the radio up and clap your hands, dance to her music while y'all snapping your fingers and clapping and stuff like that. I know y'all enjoyed her songs. I can tell y'all did, because y'all are huge fans of her, you know. Yes, indeed. So thank y'all for watching. May she rest in peace. May God bless her soul. Okay. Like Bob Barker would say, help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 show. And I'm going to continue on watching Aretha Franklin's funeral. Okay. Until next time, America, take care of yourselves and each other. Thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 show. And make sure y'all take care of y'all children and take care of y'all business, alright?